Pyramid Consulting, engineering the engineers of tomorrow. At Pyramid Consulting, we've seen the future, and spoiler alert, it doesn't involve engineers graduating with just theory-packed notebooks and zero idea of how the industry actually works. Let's face it, too many graduates today are armed with degrees, but can't debug a simple program, build a working app, or survive their first tech interview without panic Googling. What is a stack? That ends now. Introducing the Pyramid Consulting Software Engineering Curriculum, an industry-powered, results-driven, sarcasm-approved learning experience crafted for the tech landscape of 2025 and beyond. This isn't just another curriculum, it's a launchpad, a transformation, a full system upgrade. Year 1, let's build the basics, properly this time. Semester 1 kicks off with Python, because learning logic shouldn't feel like you're solving quantum physics, and C, to build some actual respect for how machines think. We teach computational thinking, algorithmic logic, and yes, how to write code that doesn't scream for help every time it runs. By the end of Semester 1, students aren't just writing Hello World. They're solving real problems with structured, clean, debugged code. Semester 2 is where they stop writing code like hobby bloggers and start engineering software. Welcome to object-oriented programming, version control with Git, and the joy of resolving merge conflicts without rage quitting. Year 2, let's get real, the internet isn't made of PDFs. Semester 3 introduces algorithmic efficiency and interactive web systems. Because let's be honest, if your graduates can't build a basic front end, they're not ready, period. HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, responsive designs, client-side validation. We don't teach theory about the internet, we teach students to build it. Then in Semester 4, we dive deep. Data structures, systems architecture, and database design. Students learn trees, graphs, SQL, and how RAM isn't just that thing that gets full when you open too many Chrome tabs. Year 3, the real world called. It wants skilled engineers. By now, students stop thinking like students and start operating like professionals. We introduce distributed systems and machine learning, concurrency, parallelism, neural nets. Not just buzzwords, but tools they can actually wield. Next, Agile, DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, automated testing, and design patterns. No more writing code like cowboys. We introduce the discipline of true software craftsmanship. We don't talk about industry, we simulate it. Students lead agile sprints, manage teams, deploy real code, and learn how not to crash everything. Year 4, choose your weapon and wield it like a pro. This is where it gets personal. Students choose their specialization track, guided by mentors who've actually worked in the industry, not just read about it. AI engineering, deep learning, NLP, MLOps, cybersecurity, pen testing, threat modeling, secure code, full-stack development frameworks, APIs, cloud magic, mobile development, cross-platform UX, publishing live apps. They don't just learn, they ship. Capstone projects, real users, real data, real deadlines. They finish with a portfolio that actually gets them noticed, not just a final year project that gathers dust next to their mini drone from second year. So, what makes this program different? Let's be blunt. No outdated curriculum that hasn't changed since Windows XP. No rote exams that test memory more than mastery. No vague exposure to industry that's really just a seminar with samosas. Instead, we offer a curriculum backed by an industry advisory board, built-in certifications, AWS, Azure, Agile, and more, a project-based evaluation model, because results are greater than theory, a technical mentorship program, actual industry pros, not random guest lecturers and open source contributions, because resumes with GitHub links are better than Word docs with hobbies. At Pyramid Consulting, we engineer the engineers. We don't just teach tech skills. We create professionals who can crack interviews, solve problems, lead teams, and maybe even change the world. Or at least ship software that works. Your students deserve this. Your institution deserves this. The industry desperately needs this. Let's stop graduating spectators. Let's create creators. Partner with Pyramid Consulting, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Pyramid Consulting, engineering the engineers of tomorrow.